So, hey guys, there's this issue going around, this little glitch with macro since the Moby update that when you go to macro, it only works for one time, and when you go do it again, it doesn't, it just stops and like stays there. So here's an example. This is for the version V11, but I've heard that the V12 is also not working. So you press P and it goes. It does the shake properly. There's a progress bar as well. But once you catch it, it doesn't do it again. Look, it just stops. You can see the little thingies on the side moving, but it doesn't do anything. So here's how to fix it. So you can leave your Roblox open, but just open your macro on Notepad. This one is V11. And then look for this little thing that says blur camera and it says true. Change that to false. And that should do the trick. Just press save. Now go back and open with. Now go back to Roblox and press P. Now let's see if it is working. Now I'm just gonna speed this up just a little bit. So that's the first one. And now the second one. And as you can see, it is fully working. And it will keep going since now the glitch is gone. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any other issues, just comment down below and I'll try my best to help you. Bye bye and see you on the next video.